This video will introduce digital earth leakage relay, from definition to applications. Blue Jay digital LRs feature an LCD that replaces analog knobs to detect ground leakage current. Blue Jay digital earth leakage relays includes DC LR, AC LR, multi-channel LR, and mining LR. When the ZZT detects a leakage current, it sends a signal to the LR. The relay processes it and triggers the circuit breaker to trip. This is wiring diagram of DC earth leakage relay. This is wiring diagram of AC earth leakage relay. This is wiring diagram of 16-channel earth leakage relay. This is wiring diagram of mining earth leakage relay. Blue Jay digital earth leakage relay can be used for electrical control or MIC or feeder panels, oil and gas, mining and control engineering, pharmaceutical, generator, data centers, VSD, renewable energy systems, EV charging stations, and more.